Searching for the best upholstery cleaner machine feels like falling into a rabbit hole. Every model looks the same, promises deep cleaning, and has shiny photos. But honestly, most just spray, suck, and leave behind wet messes or half-dissolved stains. The real difference isn't in the ads, it's in how they handle real pet accidents, dried coffee spills, or that mystery stain on your couch. Product number 1, BISSELL Little Green Mini. Let's start with the BISSELL Little Green Mini. This little tea-colored machine has been around forever, and for good reason. It's compact, lightweight at just 7 pounds, and priced under $100, making it one of the most accessible options out there. If you want something simple, reliable, and great for quick touch-ups on pet stains or spilled drinks, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a dual-action system: spray, scrub with the included 4 tough stain tool, then suction out the mess. It comes with Hydrorant self-cleaning tech, so you don't have to manually flush the hose after every use, which honestly saves so much hassle. Plus, it works on more than just carpets, car seats, couches, pet beds, even stairs. With over 90,000 units sold last month alone, it's clearly trusted by real people dealing with real messes. Now, some people complained about the small tank size, only 8 Oz of formula capacity, which means frequent refills if you're cleaning large areas. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for whole room deep cleans. It's a spot cleaner, plain and simple. If you're only tackling small spills or pet accidents, the tank is actually perfect. But if you plan on cleaning an entire sofa or multiple car seats in one go, you'll be refilling often. This is perfect for you if you've got a small home, pets that occasionally have accidents, or just want a backup cleaner for emergencies. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty, large-area cleaning power. For under $100, it's solid value, especially knowing every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation. Product number 2, Shark Stain Striker PX221BRN. Alright, that was a solid budget pick. But if the BISSELL's tank size frustrated you, meet the Shark Stain Striker. This thing brings serious muscle. Priced around $180, it's heavier at 8.5 pounds, but packs dual-activated cleaning solution that delivers 20x more stain-striking power without needing heat or pretreatment. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The onboard self-cleaning feature is a total game changer. Just click the hose into place, press a button, and it flushes the entire system with clean water. No more dealing with clogged hoses or leftover gunk. Plus, the ultra-powerful suction actually pulls embedded dirt from deep within fabric fibers, not just the surface. It comes with 2 tools and 2 formulas: Deep Clean Pro for general messes and Oxy Multiplier for odors like pet urine or smoke. With 8,000 plus sold last month, it's gaining serious traction. Now, some users mention the price feels steep compared to older models. Here's the thing though, you're paying for innovation. The self-cleaning system alone saves hours of maintenance. And honestly, if you've ever spent 20 minutes trying to unclog a hose, you'll see the value instantly. That said, if you only clean once every few months, it might be overkill. This is perfect for you if you've got pets, kids, or high-traffic furniture and want a machine that cleans and maintains itself. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional light cleaning. At $180, it's a premium tool, but one that actually earns its price. Product number 3, BISSELL Little Green Hydro Steam. Now, if the Shark's lack of steam bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach: the BISSELL Little Green Hydro Steam. This isn't just a cleaner, it's a hybrid. At 13 pounds and around $150–170, it uses actual steam combined with suction and oxy formula to break down oily set-in stains. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Hydro Steam technology delivers up to 50% better cleaning on tough messes. Think greasy food spills, mud tracks, or old pet stains. It has 3 modes: steam wash for heavy jobs, steam for refreshing upholstery without soaking it, and wash for enzyme-based stains like urine. The 64 Oz clean tank means fewer refills, and it dries furniture in about 30 minutes, so you're not waiting hours to sit back down. It even includes a multi-surface tool for tile, grout, and sneakers. Yes, really. Now, some reviewers noted it's heavier and bulkier than other portables, making it harder to carry upstairs or store in tight spaces. Here's the thing though, that weight comes from the larger tank and heating element. It's a trade-off for power and versatility. If you prioritize portability over performance, this might feel clunky. But if you clean often or have stubborn stains, the extra heft is justified. This is perfect for you if you want one machine that handles carpets, upholstery, and hard surfaces with real steam power. Skip this one if you need something ultra-lightweight or only cleans small spots. For multi-surface deep cleaning, it's one of the most capable machines out there. Product number 4, Shark Stain Striker Hair Pro. Alright, that was a great all-around cleaner. But if pet hair drives you insane, especially when it's tangled in upholstery or stuck in car seats, this next one is built just for that. The Shark Stain Striker Hair Pro at $205 is the upgraded version of the PX221BRN with one major addition: Hair Pro technology designed to grab 3x more pet hair without clogging. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Regular cleaners often spit hair back out or get jammed in the bristles. This one uses a specialized tool and suction path that lifts embedded hair, wet or dry, without tangling. It still has the dual-activated 20x stain power self-cleaning system and odor elimination, but now it's optimized for homes with shedding pets. The included XL tool covers more area, so you're not going over the same spot 5 times. Now, some users said it's overpriced for what it does, especially if you don't have pets. Here's the thing though, if you've ever vacuumed a couch only to find hair still stuck in the fabric, you know how frustrating that is. This machine actually solves that. But if you're hair-free and just dealing with coffee spills, you're paying for features you won't use. This is perfect for you if you've got dogs or cats that shed like crazy and you're tired of picking hair off with tape. Skip this one if you don't have pets or only deal with liquid stains. At $205, it's niche, but for pet owners, it's a lifesaver. Product number 5, Hoover Clean Slate Plus. Finally, let's talk about the Hoover Clean Slate Plus, a no-frills, high-value machine that punches above its weight. Priced around $130–150, it's heavier at 9.4 pounds but comes with dual tanks, a 7-wide-path tool for large areas, and a tight spot tool for corners and crevices. If you want strong suction, smart design, and Hoover's trusted name, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 40 Oz clean tank lets you clean longer without refilling, and the dirty tank is easy to empty and rinse. The hose rinse tool flushes the system after use, so you're not stuck with residue buildup. It pairs perfectly with Hoover's own cleaning solutions, like their pet formula for urine or everyday for spills. With 2,000 plus sold last month, it's a quiet favorite among practical buyers. Now, some people complained it lacks advanced features like self-cleaning or steam. Here's the thing though, not everyone needs those. If you want reliable suction, good tools, and straightforward operation, this delivers. It's not flashy, but it works consistently. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable, no-nonsense cleaner for everyday messes and don't need fancy tech. Skip this one if you want self-cleaning, steam, or pet hair specialization. For the price, it's one of the best balanced machines on the market. So which one should you get? The BISSELL Little Green Mini is perfect for small, quick cleanups. The Shark Stain Striker PX221BRN adds self-cleaning and serious power. The BISSELL Hydro Steam brings steam and multi-surface versatility. The Shark Hair Pro is a must-have for pet hair nightmares. And the Hoover Clean Slate Plus offers the best balance of value and performance. Pick based on your biggest cleaning pain point, not the flashiest ads.